Hello and welcome to an episode regarding a trip to Chatham Militaria Fair in July 2020 of this year. As you can see from the website, the fair opens from 7 a.m. onwards, and let's commence the tour. So, walking all the way from the car park on a nice sunny day, it is a bit of a trek. All the cars that I've just walked past are trader vehicles. When you get to the front, you're met with some military vehicles. Depending on what month it is, depends on what you're going to get, really. Sometimes you get some German light wheeled vehicles, but more often than not, it's what you see here. A couple of Jeeps, some military Land Rovers, and some old US Army equipment. Once you've had a look at that, you'll make your way through to the main entrance where you pay for your tickets. It's £4 per person, and then you go into the main area. There's so much to take in that a video would last hours. So all I'm doing here is just giving you a quick walk around to give you an insight into how many different traders there are, how many people turn up, and what to expect, really. You'll notice as we work our way around that there's lots of different periods of history, ranging from First World War all the way through to modern. Predominantly, though, it's Second World War stuff. There's lots of traders, there's lots of deals to be had. You just need to keep your eye out and be prepared to barter. You'll also notice that there's quite a few trade stands there, which was enjoyable, and it's a good couple of hours of walking around. If you do get bored of walking around or do get hungry, there is a place for you to eat and have a drink. And that's it. As fairs go, Chatham Militaria Fair is probably one of the best I go to. Bearing in mind it's every month, I can't complain too much. What did I get from Chatham Militaria Fairs? So first things first, I got myself an entrance ticket, which is £4 per person for an adult, £3 if you're a member of IMPS. So I paid £3. First things first, I got myself a 50 cal ammo box, the M2 variant, I suppose the M1. It's in really good condition. It doesn't look like it's been resprayed. Looks like it's the original, just minus the cotter pin or split pin for it. That was labelled up at £35, and I got it for £25. Moving on, I got some replica hand grenades. Excuse the dog. They are seemingly resin with a metal fuse and pin and arm, so it looks a little bit more realistic. As you can see there, it's got some markings, 1-4+ symbol and a diamond with an F, I think, in it, to give it that more authentic look. And then some markings on the top here that says fuse M200A1, and
I think that is UAM Co, and then 751 LOT on those. I think that's what it says. I've got 3 of those. Apparently these were made for the film Fury, and these were leftovers. Whether they had an active part in the film, I don't know, or whether they just were surplus of what the ones that were made. Who knows? But either way, they're probably the most realistic fake looking ones that I've seen, which is good. I also purchased 6 20 round magazines. Oh, in regards to price on these are £20 a pop. Reduced from £25. Back to the magazines. They are all Colt named. So you've got the Colt AR-15 markings on the bottom, every single one of them. And these in the UK are really tough to get hold of. And the ones that you can get hold of go for silly money. These are £30 each, listed up as £35 a pop, but I got them for £30. And like I say, they're all labelled up with Colt on the base. And then another purchase would be 50 5.56 ammunition, labelled up as £35, but I got it for 30. And once again, in the UK, these aren't easy to get hold of. They're not Vietnam era, but obviously they're 5.56, and they look the part when in the magazine. So what more could you ask for? So there's that. Other things that I got were 2 books. One of American Web Equipment from 1910 to 1967, which is a good book with lots of pictures for those that like a picture. And then obviously for me, my period is Vietnam, so you can see all the equipment here and a little bit of a write-up on it all. So I look forward to reading through this. And then Armies of the Vietnam War, slightly older Osprey book. With photographs and pictures. It's quite dated in regards to the drawings, but yeah, there we go. Once again, I've not read the book, so I don't know what to expect. And that's it. That's what was purchased at Chatham Militaria fairs. If you round up everything that was purchased here, you're talking about £250 for all that you see on the table. And that's it. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you later.
If you've enjoyed the content, please make sure that you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you later.